In this video, I will show you how to create a low poly model that can later be exported to program like Unity or Unreal. Next, we will create a UV map and transfer the information from the model with high polygons to the model ready for games. We are going to be using a lot of different tools today, so let's get started. At the very beginning, let's start with the model with high polygons. So first, select high poly model, Shift D to duplicate. Let's change the name of new object to low poly. Next, go to modifier and add decimate. If you have hard ops, for example, you can go to hard ops and select decimate from there. Let's decimate a couple of times. You must know this model have over 3 million polygons. It's always better to make decimate, for example, 3 times. It's better for Blender. One more time. Perfect. Let's go to the next step. Select Edge, and with Ctrl and left click, you can select the path. Right click and mark the seams. Let's now speed up a little this video. Next, connect every part of this 3D model with Ctrl J. Save the project. Go to edit mode. Let's see our all seams. Go to now to UV unwrap. Select with A all and UV unwrap. Next, go to Shading tab. Create new material for this. Let's call this material LP, low poly. Select high poly. Let's now make new material for our high poly model. Let's call it high poly. Select low poly 3D model. Then in material, go to add, search, image. Let's add one more thing. Go to add, search, normal map. Let's connect everything. Now click on new. Change resolution to 2K. Let's call this normal. And 32 bits. Hit OK. And let's change this to non-color. Let's now select high poly model with low poly model. Select texture. Go to render tab. Switch from Eevee to Cycles. Go to bake tab. Change here to normal. Select to active. Let's change margin to 6 pixels. And let's change some settings here. Let's now split our viewport. Change this to UV. And we are ready to bake. Let's select high poly, low poly with control, and bake. We have already baked normal map. Let's save it. Now let's connect normal and we can see our result. The next we will compare high poly model with our baked low poly model. Let's switch to Eevee. All information from high poly we baked to low poly 3D model. There is no difference. And it's ready to export to Unity or Unreal. The next, we will see some wireframe from low poly and high poly to compare. If you like this video, in description you can find this 3D model. It's ready for all types of games, your personal project, commercial project, everything. Thank you and best regards.